This is a tutorial for what I'm going to call a puzzle cube. It's a simple looking cube, but if you listen inside, there's a coin in there. And this is the puzzle, to give someone this cube, someone who hasn't watched you fold it, and challenge them to get the coin out without tearing or cutting or in other way damaging the paper, just to unfold the cube. It's really kind of tricky to figure out. So, to begin, we need the 8x8 grid, and the diagonals should be mountain folds, at least the main diagonals should be mountain folds, and the lines parallel to the sides should alternate mountain, valley, etc. So, we start by folding the paper in half from corner to corner, both ways, but we leave these four squares in the center without folding them. And we push down diagonally like this and carefully collapse along the creases that are already there, and we're going to divide them. One flap goes to one side, the other flap goes to the other like this. Then we are going to open one layer like this, fold it down, turn it over, and fold this flap over. So we have a pinwheel style shape. This is where the optional coin comes in. Just going to grab, this is 10 pesos, 10 Mexican pesos. And I'm going to, you could put it just right here on top, but for the folding process I think it's easier if I put it down inside the bottom. So I'm going to put the coin in the bottom. Good. Now we're going to fold each of these triangular flaps into the center, and each one covers up the one before it. It's kind of a typical way to close something. Here we have to be careful to put it underneath, because inside there's an extra layer there. We have to get it inside both of those layers, but not underneath the bottom layer. There's another layer inside the bottom. We just want to be sure that they're all are on top of each other in the same way. So this kind of an opening like this. Okay, that's the idea of how to close them. Good. Now we turn it over, and we're going to take this flap here and fold this over so that this layer goes inside. Repeat over here, open up, reverse fold inside, open up, reverse fold inside. All of the folds we're making follow the base that we have. Good. Now we have this little square thingy. We need to twist and open. Now here it helps if you do like the water bomb base, or the water bomb, you can blow into the hole here, which I'm going to do off screen. It just kind of puffs it up a little bit more. So now we have a cube with a coin inside, and if the person you show this to hasn't seen you fold it, they'll have a devil of a time getting it out without ripping the paper. And that's the model I'm submitting, or this is for this challenge.